So I'm trying a new camera. I'm not really sure if you guys can hear me. If not, I just look like a dork talking but no voice right now. But if you can, I am trying this new camera out. It's the Canon EOS Rebel T2i. And I hope I am focused because I can't really see what I'm doing. I'm kind of going off of a reflection behind it. And I'm about to go somewhere, so I'm just going to go ahead and try it out. I'm using natural lighting in the back. And I can hear some puppies behind me, but I can't see them. So anyway. I already did my face, used the Skin Fix Hydrating Lotion, and today I used my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet, and this is in number 40. Concealer, I used the Maybelline one, and this is in medium. For contour and a little bronziness, I used my e.l.f. in St. Lucia. And blush also. So I used both of these. And there's the hair on it. Yucks. Anywho, there it is. That's what it looks like. Let's see. And then for setting the foundation and the concealer, I used my Clinique. And this is the Invisible Blend powder and brush, it says, but I can't find a brush, so I just used like a big brush to kind of just pat it on and swirl it around. Okay. I already primed my eyes with the Kat Von D, and this is the color correcting eyeshadow primer in medium. And today I'll be using the Maybelline The Blush Nudes palette. And this is what the colors look like. Pigmentation, not so much. I mean, you know, it's a drugstore brand, but I was hoping a little bit more of pigmentation, but I just it's not there yet. But anyway, I'm still gonna use it because it's, you know, I'm just going out to the store and run some errands, so not a big deal. Anyway, I'm gonna use this color first, right here, and this is gonna be on my brow bone. My hair is kind of frizzy. Sorry. I tried my best. So, there you go. And I'm looking behind because there's a mirror behind there, so I can see what I'm doing, kind of. Anyway, second color, I'm gonna go ahead and go for this bronzy color right here. Just kind of put that all over the eye, and I'm just gonna use the same brush, just the other side. I kind of have to pile it on because it's just really, it's not showing up much. So I'm just gonna have to work with it and just press and blend at the same time. And I'm just using my mirror from my e.l.f. duo here because I don't have a mirror in front of me. I don't know if you can even see that, to be honest. I mean, it's pretty in person, but I don't know if it's getting washed out by the camera or the sun or lighting that I have right now. But there it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of deepen up the crease a little bit. I'm gonna use this blending eyeshadow brush, and I'll go ahead and go with this color right here, right there, and see if that works. And these don't have names, so it's kind of hard to be like this color right here. So I'm just gonna deepen the outside of the eyeshadow here and work with what we have. Okay, then I'll just go ahead and blend that a little bit right here. Just using the paddle brush that I was using earlier. Alright, and then for underneath, I'll use a combination of, I'm going to use a combination of this and see how that plays out for me. So I'll put the lighter color first. Ooh, hey. And then I'll be a little bit more precise with the darker one with like an angled liner from e.l.f. Get that darker color a little bit more closer to the lash line. It's working out, I think. I'm just hoping the camera's focused. Alright, and then today I'm actually going to go ahead and put something in the inner corners because I don't have to go to work and I'm not going to feel like I look like I have eye boogers like at the end of the day because I'm just running around doing errands, so it doesn't matter. So I'll go ahead and put this color right here, the second one, right there. And get some of that a little bit on this and kind of pop it in the inner corner. Not too bright, but it's not bad. Okay. Let's see. Eyebrows. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Jordana eyebrow pencil in medium brown. It has a little like brush at the end of it. And okay, that's good. I thought I had to sharpen it. So just gonna kind of fill in a bit. Just the sparse areas kind of getting in there a little bit. Not too dark. Just a light hand on that.